Alright, I want to show you my center balance rifle platform system stock. We'll start at the back here. This is all screwed in. And moving forward, I added a riser because with the scope directly on the rails, and the rails actually go from all the way from the back to the front. But with the scope all the way on the rails, I couldn't get my eye down far enough to be able to actually see through the scope. So I got this riser off of Amazon. I'll put the link to the riser and the scope in the comments. You can see the trigger pulls really good. And actually the way it works is there's a rod. I don't know if you can see it or not. You can kind of see it moving. The rod goes back through here and comes down and actually pushes the trigger in here. The old trigger is actually still here. This was a Wasser 10 to start out with, and here's a picture of that. Also, I got this muzzle brake for the front. Take a look at that. Alright, let's flip the gun over here. Here is it from this angle. Everything is completely still accessible. You get your bolt here. Try and do this one-handed. The only problem that I've had with this, it shoots great. If you have to change a magazine fast, check out what happens. I don't know if this is just mine or if it's like this on all of them, but this seems like a design flaw. Alright, so I've got that rested up in there, and it's hitting down here before it can get all the way in here. And you can get around that. Let's see. Yep, got it. You have to kind of push in on this so that your release lever actually gets depressed up in here. And then let me show you how it comes out. It's the same problem. You'll see it hit right there. And now you're stuck unless you push this way on the magazine. There, I pushed it. Now it's loose. And it just makes it a pain if you had to change a magazine real fast.